Welcome to No Budget DIY, or welcome back to No Budget DIY. Today we are wrapping up the StewMac pedal build. As you can see, I've got all 11 pedals mounted here on my pedal board. I have an external power supply on this because my pedal board actually only supports 8 pedals on it using the internal power supply. So I bought a pretty cool power supply for the pedals. I'll go ahead and put that and it's an affiliate link down below in the description below. And meanwhile, we're going to give these pedals a test. I'm going to go ahead and I've got it laid out so that I've got my overdrives and my tube screamer and ghost drive, etc. And the boost pedals all in the beginning of the chain, and then I've got like the expander, the swell drive, the fuzz drives, the tape, delay, light cycle, and fan tremolo together as the last. So I'm going to go ahead and just run some, basic riffs here, and I'll use the each one of the drive pedals with the combination of some of the other pedals, and I'll let you see that on there as well. So here's our clean sound again. So we'll start off with the ghost drive. Now we'll go ahead and add in the expander. I'm gonna. Now what this does, the expander takes out the mids. So as you can tell right now, it got deeper and darker. Much deeper and darker. So I'll back that off. I'll put in the swell drive, which really doesn't do a lot if you ask me. And now we'll add in the sun fuzz. And then the interval fuzz, which has no control knobs on it. But it does fuzz. And now the tape delay. Pretty mystic sounding. And then our favorite light cycle. And this is the one with the photosensitive cells on it, the photosensors, so that it actually kind of gives it that metallic spinning sound. Okay, and lastly, the fan tremolo here. Okay, and now we'll back out the ghost drive, back to our clean sound, and we'll add in the house of overdrive. And once again, we'll go ahead and add in the expander. It got darker as it is expected to. Putting on the swell drive. At least the swell drive works better with the house of overdrive. And the sun fuzz. And then the interval fuzz. That interval fuzz really does push it. Add in the tape delay. About the same. And our light cycle. Lastly, the fan tremolo. And so that's the House of Overdrive. One more time, just and the chord difference. The House of Overdrive has got a lot of boost, and I do have the output kind of down on the Ghost Drive. Let's bring it up a little. The House of Overdrive to me sounds better, but that's just me. So we're going to go with the 2 Kings boost now. We'll start with the right channel. Add in the expander, take away the mids. I'm going to add in the second channel of the 2 Kings. Take out the okay, and back to the 1 channel, and we'll add in the swell. Doesn't really do much. Add in the sun fuzz. And then, oh, the interval fuzz. That interval fuzz is really a beast. Add in the tape delay. It was basically the same. And the tremolo. So now for the last ones here, I'm just going to go ahead and add in the second boost on the 2 King boost. And drop out the second channel, so now okay, and just lastly, the tube screamer. And one more time through the drives, leaving them just the drive pedals. Ghost Drive. House of Overdrive, the 2 King boost, channel 2, channel 1, and the screamer. And that's all the pedals. And as you saw, they all do work. The swell drive's a little bit odd. It doesn't, I didn't like it when I was testing it out, and I don't like it really now. It doesn't really swell like they say it's supposed to swell up. It does kind of delay, almost like a phaser. It delays when you hit the chord or the note. It will delay a little bit and swell into the note, but it's not very noticeable. Again, this was a little over $1,000 worth of pedals. To me, the fun was building those pedals. The light cycle phaser, which took me 3 tries, that was a fun pedal to build, and really the most complex of all of the pedals was that one. There were a lot of components shoved into a tiny little board on there. But other than that, I'm using my new SG. Really like this guitar. It's pretty cool. All the pedals are really cool. Again, I will put an affiliate link to the pedal board power supply that I'm using on this to power all 11 of these. This one will power up to, I think, 16 different devices, including the 18 volt. It's got even a USB output on it, a 5 volt USB output on it, so you could actually charge your phone or whatever. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this pedal series. It was a lot of fun to me to build all of them. It was expensive. True story, I got reached out to from Stuart McDonald's asking me why I slowed down on buying things, and was there something wrong on their end that keeping me from buying things. And oh Lord, I just bought the Seymour Duncan for the Dimebag Darrell kit I'm working on. I bought the Floyd Rose for that kit as well. In addition to, I bought all of their fret rockers, fret kissers, string height adjustment. I bought it in metric, and I bought it in SAE American. So I don't know what these guys think I'm slowing down. And they also told me in my membership I've saved $4,000 something in shipping. So that tells you how much I've bought from Stuart McDonald's. Anyway, these kits are great. Also still have the a 66 reverb kit, deluxe reverb kit, that's still in the box, ready to go build. I'm halfway or partway started on the the plexi head, and I did go on to Stuart McDonald, and they do not offer the those 2 amps anymore. So I'm glad I got them before they discontinued them, if they did. But it was like God, cost me $1,600 for the deluxe reverb kit that I'm gonna do. Anyway, please like and subscribe. This is No Budget DIY, and again, later on, after I get stuff built or whatever, I'll make sure these pedals are all buttoned up good and tight, and all the connections and all of the jacks are tightened down, and then I gotta find a way to give them away. Alright. Thanks again for watching. This is No Budget DIY. Again, like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next build. We'll be actually working on the Dimebag Darrell kit in our next videos. Thanks for watching.